It was always a dream for me to receive a PR package and book mails from authors and PR agencies or publishers. Still a dream, but I did not know that I'll be receiving a PR package this soon, and almost 400 followers is going to be completed on my Instagram. So let's get into what happened this month. Hi tulips, welcome back to Only Insane Grades. I am Anu and we are going to wrap everything up which happened in the month of July. First book I read this month was a part of a series His Arranged Bride, and it has 3 books, but Abhi was first book I hai and second book is coming out soon. So it was Lies and Love by Dr. Penny J, and it was a 4.5 read for me. I'll tell you only 3 things about this book and you can decide that if you're going to read this book or not. First thing, he hates potatoes. Second thing, he called her a minion because she was wearing a yellow dress. And third thing, he gifted her a Kindle. So second and third read of the month were short stories. First short story was this, When Dosa Met Dahi Bada, and it was a 4-star read for me. Even after being a short story, इसमें you could find everything like love, hurt, chaos, longing, everything, and the ending is unexpected. Like literally unexpected. And इसमें जो content है, जो storyline है, it's really good. I loved it. And the third short story was The Yes She Never Meant by Suru Verse on Wattpad, and इसमें hardly 15 to 16 chapters हैं, but still it's not the easy kind of romance story. It's the story that will make you sit in silence after you finish reading and think about what happened. It was also a 4-star read for me. Okay, so now next read of the month, which I was very excited for. The book was The Mirror Bound by Dakshita D, and bhai, this is her debut novel and it's so good. Like the storyline, the way she has written the book and the emotions she has put in the book, plus the characters. I absolutely loved the characters, like their banter, the chaos, unki friendship, everything is so perfect. I just want to tell you a little bit about the storyline. So there's this 622-year-old vampire. He's trapped in a mirror for 600 years almost now, and this is the witch. Her name is Juliet, and she is the reincarnation. और मतलब एकदम reincarnation ही, but she has a little bit parts of the old witch who was the most powerful in her time. उसकी कुछ थोड़े बहुत पार्ट्स हैं जूलियट में, एंड शी इज लाइक इजाबेला, बट उससे भी ज़्यादा पावरफुल, एंड शी हैज़ टू कंप्लीट अ सेट ऑफ टास्क इन ऑर्डर टू फ्री वैम्पायर, जो हमारा वैम्पायर है उसको मिरर में से, एंड she has to also do the task in the right way. If she does the task in wrong way, बहुत सारी और चीज़ें जो है वो ख़राब हो जाएंगी. तो इट वॉज रियली प्लीजिंग, इट वॉज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच हर एंड हर फ्रेंड ग्रुप do the task. My most favorite character from the Mirror Bound was Isabella, because that character has so that bestie coded vibe, plus she has also that motherly love and kindness. I don't know why, I just feel so attached to her. It was a 4.75 read for me, and it was also my first paranormal or fantasy read कह सकते हैं. इन सारी books के अलावा I tried to start 2 Wattpad books, but I did not finish them because the storyline and the writing style was not of my reading taste, so I did not finish them. And the last read of the month was An Ode to What Never Ends by Bishrajita, and it's a poetry collection, and it's also my first poetry book which I read. And bhai, this book has so many beautiful and so relatable. Some poetries are very relatable, some poetries are like facts of the world, ठीक है? And some poetries will just make you sit in the silence and stare at nowhere to process what you read. And I just want to share this poem with you guys from this book because it's so beautiful. Here it is. Every word that's said isn't just a sound. It's a blade, a balm, a bridge, a wound. It can slice deeper than the sharpest sword or heal the hurt that was once implored. It leaves the scars no doctor can stitch, or becomes a vow that lifts a life from the ditch. A word can coil itself around the soul. It can start wars or end them all. I have started also some ongoing Wattpad books, so we will be discussing that sometime else because video बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी and हम अपने मकसद से नहीं भटक सकते हैं. Overall, I read 5 books in this month and it's time for here are the award list जो कि हम बुक्स को देंगे जो मैंने बुक्स पढ़ी है उनको and it's my personal choice. So first award for the best read of the month goes to The Mirror Bound by Dikshita Komari Shetty. And our second award for the favorite character of the month goes to Isabella from The Mirror Bound. We don't have a third award winner here for this. Fourth award winner for the quote of the month is An Ode to What Never Ends by Vishwajita. इसमें not a quote but a poem. Every word that is said, वो poem जो है is the winner of the award. Now we are done with the books and the awards. Now the third part of the video is what happened in my theater life as a bookstagrammer. I received my first PR package from an author and I also received 2 book mails. First, An Ode to What Never Ends and second, Just Asking by Ajay Ashri. And I'm so grateful to you guys and God for giving me all these opportunities to receive book mails and PR packages. I never thought I'll be receiving PR package or book mails this soon. Yeah, and that was pretty much what happened in the month of July and what I read in the month of July. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that I also joined a full-time job. And Talia for me. Okay. Yes. Now, if anyone wants the link of the books I read or I recommended or I said in this video, you all can DM me on Instagram. I will reply to you guys and I'll send the link of the books to you guys. And you all can follow me if you haven't there. And also subscribe the channel, like the video and share. Also comment what have you guys read in the month of July. We will meet in the next video. Till then, ta-ta, bye bye and follow me on Instagram, okay?